Hey everyone, Matt here with Global Electric Services. Today I want to talk about something we still see in a lot of homes around Austin, aluminum wiring, especially in older branch circuits. If your home was built in the late 60s or 70s, there's a good chance you have it. And while aluminum wiring isn't automatically dangerous, it does require the right maintenance and repairs to stay safe. Aluminum wiring was used because it was cheaper and easier to get at the time. The issue isn't the wire itself, it's how aluminum behaves. It expands and contracts more than copper. It oxidizes when exposed to air, and it's softer. Over time, that movement can loosen connections at outlets, switches, and breakers, and loose connections create heat. Heat creates resistance, and resistance is where electrical problems start. Most of the failures we see aren't in the middle of the wire, they're at the termination points. That's why branch circuits with aluminum wiring need a little extra attention. So, what should you look for if you have aluminum wiring? A few key things: warm or hot outlets. That's a sign of resistance building up. Lights flickering on a single circuit, especially when appliances turn on. Buzzing or crackling at switches or receptacles. Uh, Discoloration on outlets or the faceplate, browning or melting, is a red flag. Breakers that trip repeatedly without an obvious load issue. If you're seeing any of these, that's your electrical system telling you something's wrong. It's basically the electrical version of a check engine light. Such you can ignore it for a little while, but the underlying problem is still there. When repairs are needed, we're usually talking about improving the connections, not replacing the entire home's wiring. The most common fix is called pigtailing. That's where we attach a short piece of copper wire to the aluminum using a connector that's rated specifically for aluminum to copper transitions. This gives you a stable copper connection at the device, which dramatically reduces the risk of overheating. We also use CO/ALR rated devices, which are designed to handle aluminum safely, and in some cases, we'll apply an antioxidant compound to the conductors to prevent oxidation and improve conductivity. The key is making sure the work is done by someone who knows aluminum wiring. Not every connector or device is rated for it, and using the wrong one can actually make the problem worse. If your home has aluminum wiring, maintenance is simple but important. Every few years, have a licensed electrician inspect the terminations, outlets, switches, breakers, and any splices. We're looking for signs of heat, loose connections, or oxidation. Also, anytime you remodel, add circuits, or replace devices, make sure the electrician knows you have aluminum wiring. Even something as simple as swapping out outlets needs to be done with the right materials. Aluminum wiring can be safe. It just needs the right care. If you're not sure whether your home has aluminum wiring, or if you've noticed any of the signs I mentioned, give us a call at Global Electric Services. We'll take a look, make sure everything's safe, and help you plan any repairs or upgrades you might need. Stay safe, Austin, and keep your home powered the right way.